Hey guys, this is Time FK7. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be taking a look at an OBD scanner that I got off of Amazon. Let's go. Before we get started, just wanted to say that this garage is finally clean. I just have to clean up this side right here. But this right here, that's for another video. But I'm actually liking the whole outcome. So the only thing that I'm planning on doing is like building a shelf so I can hang my exhaust and my little wing onto the shelf one day. And I might put something here so it won't look as empty. But other than that, it's pretty much done. And I like how I have a chair here, or I have my little couch here. That way, you know, it's the best seat in the house. Go in the garage, get my notebook, you know, write down some ideas while looking at the car. Anyways, let's get to it. So this OBD2 scanner you can get on Amazon. I will be posting a link down below if you're interested in getting this. So let's get to it, starting off with the unboxing. So this is what the packaging looks like. The product name is Ancel Auto Scanner. On the back of it, you see some mechanics in their garage checking underneath an SUV or hatchback, and then one on the computer. Basically, this is just an OBD scanner that you can plug into your car. It erases fault codes, voltage on your battery, and as well as read any engine or emission related fault codes. If your check engine light is turned on, then you're gonna need one of these. And what's good about this packaging, usually with clamshell packaging, they're tough to open up. But with this one, they thought ahead. They knew that, you know, clamshell packaging is a pain. And I can literally just open this with one hand. There's like two little tabs right here. And there you go. So right out of the packaging, we have the OBD2 port right here. You just plug this in. It also has a micro USB to a USB-A cable. This is the unit itself. It's nice and light. Inside of this, you get a user manual. So I'm gonna plug this into the R. Pretty sure I don't have any fault codes, but we're just gonna plug this in just to make sure that there isn't any fault codes going on. I'm gonna turn on my light. And in all of our cars, the Honda Civic, most of the cars, our OBD port is just right there. Just right above the clutch. If you do have a CVT model, then it's gonna be on the top left of the brake. This right here is what the screen looks like, and if we scroll around, it does beep. Here's a bunch of languages that you can select. Not only does it have English, it also has, I believe, Chinese, a bunch of languages. Gonna go back. We can actually turn off the annoying beep off. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Background, you can change day/night mode. This is what day mode looks like. I prefer night mode. So I'm gonna go ahead, start the vehicle so that we can do like a random scan. Okay, so now that the car is turned on, we're gonna go ahead and do a scan. So obviously, you know, there's no problems with this car, so I'm gonna have zero issues. It tells you what kind of ignition, spark, protocol type is CAN. So let's check if we have any codes. Again, the vehicle has no fault codes because obviously there isn't any fault codes on this vehicle. Nothing's wrong with my car at the moment. So pretty much everything is in good working condition, obviously, with this new vehicle pretty much. Let's test out our battery. Please turn the ignition off. Okay, we're gonna select enter. Please turn ignition on. So there you go. We tested out the battery. When the vehicle was turned off, it was at 12.69 volts, and the maximum voltage is 14.53. While the current voltage, it tells you right here, 14.29. So there's actually a lookup. So if you're not sure what code you're getting, you can look this up. So for example, if your engine is doing a misfire, I believe the code for that is P0300. Let's do that. Let's enter it. There you go, random multiple cylinder misfire detected. So if ever you do have a code, you can look it up on the machine itself, and then it'll tell you what exactly that code means. If you press the I, okay, which is, for more information, it gives you a possible cause for that faulty code. For example, faulty spark plug, faulty ignition coil, clogged or faulty fuel injector, intake air leak, fuel injectors, blah blah blah. You get my point. So pretty much, it pretty much gives you a solution to your issue, your error, which I think is really helpful. So you don't have to pull out your phone and do a quick Google search when you already have it in this OBD2 scanner. Like me, I'm recording with my phone, or in the real world your phone would probably be dead, or you left it inside the house, or somewhere. It's good that you can look up the code in this device. So overall, this device, it doesn't feel cheap button wise, because the buttons do have a spongy feeling to them since they're made out of rubber, and they give out a nice click when you click on them. And basically, it feels pretty solid. Everything is working just fine. If you need an OBD2 scanner for your car, then this is a good choice to get, because it does everything you need it to. It clears codes, it reads the fault codes, it detects the fault codes on your car. It has a battery detector. Not only that, but you can look up your codes with this right here. As I showed you earlier, if you scroll down, you have more codes, so you don't really need to type in all the codes, because it's basically a dictionary for the codes, so you can educate yourself with the different codes. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of video content that I should be making in the future. If you're interested in this product, I will be linking it down below in the description. Also, if you're in the market for floor mats or LED lights, be sure to check out Lastfit's website, because you do get 10% off if you use my code CTFK7. So anything you choose from their website, that applies the whole cart, so be sure to check that out, because I do have all the products on the Type R as well as the FK7. Also, we have a new sponsor on the channel, American Modified, which I did recently a video of the duck bill that they gave me, and they also sent me some other things, which is again going to be a future video, so be sure to stick around for that. In fact, let me play you guys a little sneak preview of what's to come. Now, only thing left to do is to pull this off, and there is your whole bumper. So we're going to set this aside. Where can I put this? Alright, Chloe, you're free.
Bam! Oh, that's wild. You can see everything in front.
Yeah. And that's basically how you take off your bumper on the FK7 or any 10th gen Honda Civic. Same thing goes for the Type R as well.